Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold and crude oil from 16 till 17 July. So let's begin. We are currently on an 4-hourly chart for the gold. Here we can draw in support trend line as always. This would be in support trend line. Some around here. This would be the above resistance trend line. Some around here. Some around here. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Coming on the charts, here we can see that the market for the gold is trading in a range bound territory. The above resistance could be some around here, and the below support can be some around here. Let me zoom that in. Zoom in. We can see a sideways move, a move towards upwards, move upwards, then we can see and move downwards, testing the support, then again and move upwards, again testing the resistance, and again we are seeing and downwards move, testing the support. We can also see that the market is making a kind of an M pattern, some around here, here and here, and the completion of the M pattern would be some around 1769. Now moreover, we can see that the market is also making a symmetrical pattern as explained before. This would be the above resistance. And we can see that the market is not able to break out upwards or in downwards, and its market is trading in a range bound territory. So according to the fundamentals, we should be bearish, and the fundamentals says that the COVID-19 vaccine reports are positive results from its earlier trials on Tuesday. The research team reported in the New England Journal of Medicine that all 45 test subjects developed neutralized antibiosin in their bloodstream at level compared to those found in people who survived COVID-19. Moreover, Russia also successfully completed its earlier stage trials of the COVID-19 vaccine developed in the first Moscow state. And another development that dampened the demand for the gold is US President Donald Trump indicate that he does not want to further aggregate the tension between China and will refrain from further sanctions on the top officials for now, which means that Donald Trump is backing up from implementing more sanctions on China. Thus, we are expecting a bearish move for the gold according to the fundamentals and according to the technical perspective both. Now going on in a smaller time frame on a 2-hourly chart. Here what we can expect or what we will be doing, we will be going for a short opportunity. Some around 1808 with our stop losses just placed above the recent high, some around 1820 with our first take profit of this support zone, which would be some around 1801, and our second take profit would be this support zone. As we can see that the market has been respecting it some around here and here and here and here. Thus this will give the first take profit will give an extra reward approx 1:0.61, and our second take profit will give an extra reward of 1:2.4. In total we will get an extra reward of 1:2. Thus we are bearish, and if we see a downwards move or a breakout downwards from this support trend line, we will update you what trade we could take, or we can go for another short opportunity after a pullback towards the support turning into a resistance with our take profit of that stop losses some around 1766. There's two trading opportunities are explained. The first is in break is going short some around here. Stop losses place some around 1820 with a first take profit of this support, then a second take profit of this support trend line. And if we see and breakout big downwards from this support trend line turning into a resistance, we will go for a short position on in pullback. Our stop losses would be placed some around 1804 with our entry trigger point 1791 with a take profit of some around 1766. That will give a risk to reward of approx 1 ratio 1.28. Now coming on in crude oil, we are currently on a 2 hourly chart for the crude oil. As told in my previous daily forecast that we can expect some resistance as this is a key resistance area or a major resistance zone. Here we have seen a resistance, here we have seen a resistance, here again we have seen a resistance, and currently we are expecting a resistance. So what we are doing is that we can go for in short position with our take profit of this support zone and with our stop losses just placed above the recent highs, which would be some around here. However, we have greater chance that we hit our stop losses due to the fundamentals as the relationship between US and China are improving and the vaccine trials are going positive or in a correct way or showing correct results. Thus, we can see that the demand for the crude oil can rise and we could potentially hit our stop losses. Thus, we will not go for an against trade. We will wait for the market to test this range, then we will go for a short position with our stop losses here with our take profit of this support zone. If you do like the video, do like, share and comment below. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.